In this tutorial, we're going to talk about roundabout first exit. Your tester will ask you at the roundabout take the first exit, which in this case, it's on the left. So how do we take the first exit at a single lane roundabout? The routine is mirrors, signal, speed, position, and observation. Mirror, rear view mirror, and left mirror. Signal, signal left. Speed, slow down to suit the situation and prepare to stop. Position would be moved to the left position. Observation, check to the right to see if it is safe for you to enter the roundabout safely. If clear and safe, continue. So we'll play the video. So as you can see, it will be mirror, signal, slow down, prepare to stop. If clear and safe, continue. And now, driving straight, follow the road ahead. Please note, dealing with a roundabout is not that difficult. Assess the roundabout on approach. This is so you know if the roundabout is busy or not. In this video, you see that we are slow enough and we're close to the roundabout when we look to the right to see if we can proceed. Common issues at roundabouts: speed and observation. Speed, travelling too fast on approach to the roundabout, and observation is poor timing of observation. To enter the roundabout, we check to the right about 1 to 2 car lengths from the line, but our speed allows the time for a stop if required. Remember, on the approach, slow down and prepare to stop. Then about 1 to 2 car lengths from the line, check to see if you can enter the roundabout safely. When on the roundabout, do not drive faster than needed and use proper position as seen in this video. As always, your driving instructor will help you with timing and local roundabout situations which may not be shown in our video. So make sure you get live lessons and get in as much practice as possible on roundabouts.